back to another episode on Dr. DIY's channel. So today we are going to show you how to effectively fog your vehicle from all the germs, virus, bacteria and the foul smell, especially due to the car being parked. So due to the recent MCO, many of us have our car being parked very long without starting it, and there is a foul smell generated when you on the AC. I don't know about you guys, but certainly for me there is a foul smell coming. In this case it's a Hyundai Ionic, right? So each time when I start the car, I have a foul smell coming out from my AC blower, right? It is not leaking, the gas is not leaking. The foul smell is like, it smells something like of crushed leaves, you know, some odor type of foul smell. So what we are going to do today is we are going to eliminate this smell, God willing, by using this setup. So this is a fogging machine, 900 watts, and we are going to use this material. This is the fogging liquid, right? It's a multi-purpose disinfection. It kills 99.99% of virus, bacteria, germs and yeast in 5 seconds. It is alcohol free, non-flammable, and this is what they claim lah, you know. And according to them, it's also pet friendly. So guys, what we are going to do now is we are going to pour this solution into the fogging machine, right? And the level will indicate how much is that. Okay, so I've already poured now, just a bit. After pouring it, you need to on this. When this is on, the remote control here, there is a LED light. You have to wait until the light on, then you can press the button and the fogging will start. So what is happening now is heating up the elements inside. So once it's completely heated up, the LED will on and we can use the machine. So without any delay, let's get the show started. Okay, so before you fog your vehicle, first thing first is you have to remove the AC or the cabin air filter which is located inside. How to remove the cabin air filter for Hyundai Ionic has been posted on my previous video. Please have a look, right? So I'm going to take out the air filter now. Okay, so I've removed the cabin air filter. Okay, I've already removed it. This air filter has been replaced before. If you remove your air filter, if it's dirty, you need to replace it. Okay, so this is a carbon activated air filter, have been changed before, right? It's a brand new one, so it's not so bad. After removing it, this is the cover, and you can see now it is open, right? So what we are going to do now is air is going to go inside here, right? So we are going to fog in such a way that the fogging machine will blow the fog inside here when the aircon is on at full blast, the speed, okay, and at the coldest position. So depending on your car, if your car can go to 15, put it to 15 degrees C, likewise so. And your settings of your aircon should be circulated inside. Okay, obviously your engine must be running, and you do this for 5 minutes with your doors and windows closed. The screens of your doors, the screens are all closed. Okay, so now let's place the fogging machine. Please bear in mind that during operation of the fogging machine, if you have a unit, the base will be warm. Okay, so you might not want to consider to place it directly on your seat. You might want to have a layer of insulation. In my case, I've already have a very good layer of insulation, so you place it there, and this driver seat passenger seat can go up and down, right, and front and back. So I've pushed it maximum at the back, and I adjusted in such a way that when it blows, it goes straight into the air conditioning, the air con cabin filter slot, the hole. Okay, so the settings of my aircon you can see, right? So I set in this position because I want the air to come out from the up and also down. So down basically it can also sanitize and also fog the carpet of the car. So if you are having those rubberized or trepo type of material carpet, remove it. Okay, you need the fabric, or you can also remove this so you can directly, the smoke can directly hit on the fabric material, right? And in this case the temperature is at 15 degrees C. So once everything is done, then you might press this button. So before that, let's just press for a short duration at a time and see whether it goes in properly or not. So it goes in. You see it coming out from the blower, right? Okay, so we have already fogged. So this is how it looks like inside, right? So let it just wait for a while, maybe about 1 or 2 minutes or so. Okay, at the same time you can observe your car where the smoke is coming out. That means you know that that particular part is leaking. In this case, I see some smoke coming out from here. I think it's meant to come out because it's the ventilation hose. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, so far no any sign of smoke coming out. Okay, that's good. So the fogging machine has been taken out from the car. Yeah, don't leave the fogging machine in the car while waiting. Just take it out and just wait like about. Okay, so after about like 7 to 10 minutes or so, the fog has completely subsided. Okay, so you may off the engine and you may fix back the AC cabin air filter, whatsoever you remove, and consider the job is done, right? A few things I would like to highlight is never use any fogging liquid which contains alcohol. Okay, never use that. Why? Because when you blow alcohol inside, it's going to go to the cooling coil evaporator aluminium fins. It's going to cause reaction and you might cause a damage or a potential leak to the aluminium fin or the coil. Not only that, alcohol is also very much, it get reacted with plastic materials, so you have a lot of plastic materials inside, so it's not recommended to use alcohol because it also leaves a stain on the plastic material. So if you want to use any fogging type of liquid, it must be natural and it must be alcohol free, right? It holds good not only for this DIY project, for any project you want to go and clean or disinfect your car, back car clean and so forth. It must not have alcohol inside. Okay guys, I hopefully this video helps. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, man. Support the video, guys, right? Subscribe to Dr. DIY channel. Till we meet again, guys, stay safe, have a nice day. Checking out from Dr. DIY channel. Cheers.